Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage our second Startup Pitch 180 winner, Rachel Mayer from Trigger.
Well, hello, everyone. My name is Rachel Mayer, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Trigger. Trigger is a new mobile-first investing platform that makes it easy to invest rationally through simple if this then that statements called triggers. You could say things like, if the Fed raises interest rates, then sell SPY. Or if oil trades below 20, then buy Exxon. You're probably thinking to yourself, well, can't I do these sorts of things already in my standard brokerage account? Well, if you're not an active trader, which most of the people in this room are not, then you can simply buy a stock or sell a stock, and that's about it. But let me tell you something. I was a trader at a big bank, and this is not how the big boys make money. They make money by sitting on the trading floor all day long, watching the market, getting into great trades at amazing levels. But most importantly, they do not let emotions dictate their investing process. They invest with rules and with discipline, which is exactly what Triggers can do for you. Now, there is software that can help you do this, but it looks like this. They have limited mobile capabilities. The use of jargon is very intimidating. It's expensive. And even if they have triggers, they only let you trigger on a handful of options. So then how do we bridge the gap between how these guys invest and you? The answer is Trigger. Trigger is the first mobile investing platform that lets you set conditional rules on top of any type of data, whether structured or unstructured, and invest through all major brokers into one seamless, beautiful mobile platform. Triggers help you remove the emotion from the investing process, as well as help you capture new market opportunities. We can trigger on the wealth of data that is available to us in this day and age. We currently support real-time triggers on all types of stock price movements, triggers on real-time corporate earnings and corporate fundamentals and ratios, so important, triggers on economic events, currencies, and commodities. But what about triggering on weather, on Twitter, on news, on SEC insider events, even triggering on your own custom data sets? The possibilities of triggering on anything are essentially endless. We launched our mobile app in June, and since then, our users are highly engaged, and they love Trigger. We've grown organically to tens of thousands of monthly active users who have created over 20,000 unique triggers. But most importantly, they are investing. They've linked over $100 million of wealth from brokerages, and from the triggers that they set, the average order size is around $4,000. But where are we going? We started out with this idea and this notion of automating your investing process through key market events and rules on a mobile device. But we could do so much more. From the thousands and potentially millions of portfolios and triggers that we are constantly monitoring, our existing rules engine can become a smart AI rules engine. We can begin to offer insights, early warnings, and tailored recommendations to a whole swath of different types of investors. But we are starting with the do-it-yourself retail investor because we think that you are the most underserved. Our team is a highly technical team with operational experience in tech and Wall Street, including the likes of Google and JP Morgan. But most importantly, we are passionate about bringing triggers to the millions of do-it-yourself investors out there. Thank you so much. Go in the App Store and download Trigger and check it out. Thank you for your time.